Hello students, it's Mr. Washahi again, and this lesson is going to be on using multiplying using the area model method. Just a real quick reminder as to what actually area is. So if I have a rectangle and I want to calculate the area, which how much space this rectangle takes up, let's say this side measures 12 units, 12 inches, feet, whatever, and this side up here measures 20. Well, to get the area, we would multiply our both lengths, and that gets us our area, which is how much space this rectangle takes up. So that's just a reminder as to what area is, and that's something to kind of think about while you're doing the area model. So let's go ahead and do a few examples and add to our notes. The example we're going to use is 27 times 32. Some of you guys are really good at multiplying using the standard algorithm, which is just 32 over 27 and then multiplying, and that's fine. But this is just another method, and this is actually a good method. If you get really good at it, over time you could kind of multiply these two numbers or double-digit numbers just in your head. So let's go over it. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to break apart your numbers into expanded form. So 27, that's the same as 20 plus 7. See, I expanded them. I put parentheses around them. 32, that's the same as 30 plus 2. So you want to expand them based on their place value. All right. Second step, draw a box. It's a rectangle. And for each place value, that's how many. So I've got 1, 2 place values here, and 1, 2 place values there. So that's how many total boxes you need within your box for 4 sections. All right. The next thing you want to do is you're going to write the first expanded number on the top of your box, and the second on one of the sides, going vertical. So let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to draw my box again, break it up into 4 sections. So our first number is 27. So on this box I'm going to put 20. On this box I'm going to put 7. I even like to just put a little plus sign right there, because you know that this top side equals 27. The side going up and down, the vertical side, we're going to use 32. So this will be 30 and this will be 2. So I know if I added them, it'll be 32. Okay? So step 4, you're going to find each product. So our product means to multiply. So find each product in the aligned box. Okay, and I'm going to keep drawing my boxes just to kind of show step by step within these notes. So 27 times 32. So what I mean is find each product for each aligned boxes. I like to start from the top. I'm going to go down. So 20, okay, 20 times 30. I just got to look at 2 times 3 is 6. And since they're both in the tens place, it's going to be 600. Give it its zeros. Okay, 20 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And then give it the 0. Okay, so essentially 20 times 32 is 640. Alright, same thing for the 7. 7 times 30. 7 times 3 is 21. And then it's tens place. It's hundreds place. Alright. 7 times 2 is 14. So now you you multiply it, you find the product for each aligned box. So there should be something in each box. Okay. The last step is where you're going to add all partial products. Partial product, that's just what you have in each of your boxes. So line them up, 600 plus 210 plus 40 plus 14, and just add them up like you normally would. Okay? 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is actually the product of 27 and 32. So this just visualizes your multiplication. I know it may take a little longer than using the standard algorithm, but this also helps you picture it in your head. It also prevents you from making any errors when it comes to place values or placeholders. So that's the pro on it. It really helps you visualize it. The con is, yes, it may take a little longer. It may take a little more space because you would have to draw up a box and then add them up. But after time doing these enough, you may start moving pretty quickly through them, and you may actually be able to do some of these in your head. Okay, so remember, this is the area model multiplication method. You would have to, and you could actually do it with numbers with 3 digits or 4 digits. You just have to make sure you have a box for each one. Okay, good luck.